Greetings again. You know it's a boy Ras Pop, you know what I mean? And look at this beautiful callaloo here. So I grow this in the garden, you know what I mean? I just harvest this one here, so I'm gonna really cook this one now. So I want you to stay tuned to see how I cut it up, cook it, and consume it. So this is the red callaloo or the purple callaloo, yes? And also I've got the nice spring onion, just take from the garden also. And plus, what time is it? The great green fresh time from the garden. So we're gonna cook some current cornmeal callaloo. So you stay tuned. We'll just cut them up now. See me now? Callaloo well chopped. That's the callaloo, yeah? Well chopped up. Look at these long spring onion. Everything I grow in the greenhouse, you know, extra long. So we're gonna chop them up now as well. Bust it into half. Fold them up like that, and then we're gonna chop them as well to go with the callaloo. Plus I got fresh garlic from the garden as well. So everything what I'm cooking today is from the from Soul Food Garden, you know what I mean? Okay, so now spring onion have been chopped, callaloo have been chopped. So we got loads of spring onion here. I like spring onion, so I like to eat a lot of it in one go. So this one now is fresh garlic also from the garden, you know what I mean? So we got our callaloo, spring onion, thyme, and fresh garlic. So the callaloo have been prepared. So now we'll take out some coconut oil, okay? We put in our seasoning. Yeah, our garlic, yeah? That's our garlic, we're garlic. Leave some from here, like that. So half of the spring onion. Half of it, yeah, like that. Garlic and spring onion, we're cooking at the moment now. That's garlic, spring onion, yes? Look at that, look at that beauty here. Going with callaloo now. Gonna cover it a bit, then we put season to it. So cayenne pepper. We're gonna put some thyme on top of it now. And now, turn on the flame, leave it to steam. Boiling water. On the kettle. Spring onion in your pot. Yeah, and then we put the rest under the callaloo. Like that. So this is the cornmeal. Yeah? So we're gonna pour it into water like you're making porridge. Just for it to dissolve in the water. It doesn't come out lumpy when you're cooking, you know what I mean? So we're gonna stir this and then we put it into the pot. So we cook our turn cornmeal. So we want you to see. So if you want some turn cornmeal with some callaloo, this is how you do it, yeah? Like you're making porridge. To this pot now. Start to put in the callaloo, you know. Stirring now, no see? Stirring. Don't stop stirring like a porridge you're making. So you're gonna get really thick. But you have to always keep on stirring, you know what I mean? And turn the fire down low also. Look at that now, see it? That's turned cornmeal, man. Over there we got the callaloo steaming, you know? Look at that, callaloo, turned cornmeal, spring onion and garlic. So just keep on stirring. See me now, finished product. Ready, see me? Red callaloo, see it? Turned cornmeal now, see me now? Look over there, right there. See it? Having a meal. See them, my people? Ready to eat. Everything from Soul Food Garden, apart from the cornmeal. More blessings every time.